Hi everyone, this is Maria Bayless. I just got Happy Mail, and it's from Kim and Coco. And let's see. Oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm lost for words. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at the flowers. Strawberry shortcake. Coco, your mommy told me you did this. Thank you so much, girls. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my god. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. You guys are amazing. It's unbelievable. You guys are so amazing. Look at everything. Oh my god. Sorry if I made you guys dizzy. You guys did a great job. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh wow. You guys did a great job. What's this felt in the back? Yeah, it's felt. Oh. Wow. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm going to cherish it. And you guys, big smile. Let's see. Big smile. Oh my god. Thank you, girls. Thank you. Love you, girls. Thank you so much. Love you. Means a lot to me. Thank you.